Hello students, today I want to explain you how computer works to produce information from a raw data. It is all because of IPO cycle. IPO stands for input, process and output. For this purpose, the first category is data. It means to produce any information we must need a data. Data is nothing, it is a raw material which is meaningless. By using the process of input, we can use to insert this data in computer. For this purpose, we can use different types of input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. After inputting data, it will go to the CPU for processing. Here, CPU is responsible to process the inputted data and try to produce its output. Output is nothing, it is a result of processed data. And this form of processed data is also known as information. So, according to this IPO cycle, we know that data is inserted using input devices. After inputting data, it go to the CPU. CPU will process it and produce the output, and output will display the processed data in the form of information. Now we will define what is the meaning of data, input, process and output and information. Data. It is a raw material to produce output and information. Input. It is a process to insert data for processing. Process. Process is collection of steps to produce information from data. Output. It is a result of processed data. Information, it is the form of processed data. Now we can better understand it better using the organizational structure of the CPU. This organizational structure starts with data. Input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, all these input devices uses this data to insert in CPU. Here CPU is classified in three different categories: CU, MU and ALU. CU stands for control unit, MU stands for memory unit and ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. The CU, control unit, it is responsible to control the input and output of the entire data. The MU stands for memory unit. It is used to store the data and information in our computer and storage. ALU, all the tasks given to the CPU is categorized in arithmetical or logical. So this unit is basically used to process the data in arithmetic and logic unit. After processing the data, it also produces result which we can save in the memory unit, and the control unit accepts this output to send to the output unit. The output unit can be a monitor and printer, speaker, etc. to display the different output according to the information. And the form of this data which we can display after processing is known as the information. So this is the entire organizational structure of CPU, including the input devices and output devices. Now we are capable to understand how computer process the data in CPU. Thank you very much.